All right, so today we were invited to
My cousin, 18th birthday.
cousin's 18th birthday. So we have decided to stop by on our way back home from Morong. We're stopping by, so we're just gonna take a little walk in the neighborhood here. A small little fishing barangay. We've been here before, and we're just gonna walk down this road and get up to the main road that comes in here to Limay. What's that up there?
Memorial.
That's the memorial grounds. Okay. Are we having company? Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? No? Okay. All right. Look at this. They're gonna open a Jollibee in Limay soon.
No,
Oh.
it's now open.
Not. Oh yeah, it's open. All right. That's surprising. Surprising. All right, honey. Let's walk up the street here a little bit. Anyway, we are attending a birthday party, like Janice said. And we are in Limay, located in Bataan, province in Philippines. Right here, there is I think about 70,000 people. The latest census was like 68,000, but that was 2015, so it's almost 4 or 5 years ago. But it's a nice little small community. I would say most of the business here is around fishing, and a lot of fishermen out there. Barangay San Francisco de Asis. Yeah. If you walk down one of these little narrow streets, you're getting right down to the water. Actually, you can see the water behind there. So we're just gonna take a little quick walk up this way, and then we're gonna go up and what's that?
I don't know.
What?
That one is like a big boat.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like it. Look, guys, I'm gonna see if I can get the camera up there. Yeah, it looks like a melon, but
There's another one over there. Oh.
yeah,
Ay, gosh, yeah.
some kind of fruit. Okay, so these are the memorial grounds up in here,
Memorial.
like a
Memorial.
graveyard memorial. All right, so a little bit about history about Limay. Limay goes back all the way into the 1600th century, and the Dominican and Franciscan friars settled there during the 1600s, and one of the main reasons is its rich limestone deposits that has been around there. And they used it to build churches in Orion and Balanga, and at the time the town was a barangay of Orion. And then you had in the 1800s when the Limay inhabitants fought for their independence, So it was a lot of history behind it, and also during the Second World War, um, Limay became the host of the first medical hospital for American and Filipino forces. And it was run by an organization called the Angels of Bataan. So that was a little short history about this little community that we return to quite often, actually. We just want to get out and get a little walk before
It's
we,
getting dark.
yeah, and before we join that party that is ongoing up there. We just felt like we wanted to give you a walking video.
Yeah, because on the party we can do vlog over there is so noisy.
No, yeah, it's going to be noisy up there. That's a typical Filipino party. And the center point in that party is a karaoke machine. So it's going to be noisy, and sometimes the music creates copyright issues. So we'll try to figure it out. A lot of small little side streets that most of them leads down to the water, and we
Goes
can
to the other seaside.
go to the seaside. That's where they go out fishing every morning. They go out fishing a couple of times a day, right?
Yeah. It depends if the first what is it? The first fishing they don't have catch, then they will
Go again.
go again.
Yeah.
If they have enough catch, they stop.
Yeah. Especially during the sardine run, then they're coming out here and getting a lot of sardines. Here, guys, you can actually see a little bit of the water out there. So it's
On the seaside.
typical fishing village that are part of the culture.
Part of the culture in the
Yeah.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Part of the culture.
Some boutiques. At nighttime, they're coming out here. They have a lot of barbecue places and all kinds of stuff, which is a feast. I like barbecue, street barbecue. That's one of my things that I do eat here. So. And I've had I've been here now 5 years,
5 years so far.
and so far I have not had one food poisoning yet.
Yeah, but the first year you stay here in the Philippines, you just have little
Yeah,
problem with
yeah, you know,
your
yeah. Here you have
status.
another street that leads straight down to the water. You can see the water way down there in the background. So it's a nice little village. We come up here. Janice has her uncle and big part of the family actually lives here. So let's go up and maybe try to join the party a little bit.
Yeah, and then later on we will go home.
Yep, it's time to go home. It's day number 3, right? And we're going to start heading home today. Here is a little clothing.
Oh, this is what I'm looking for.
Yeah. This is what you're looking for. Shorts, t-shirt.
When I was on Morong, I don't. Oh, it's 50 pesos for shirt. Oh,
Yeah.
I can buy you.
Yeah, me, you don't have to buy. I have so many T-shirts. You don't have to buy anything for me. You can get some if you want.
They have a basement. But we will, ano, we already go home later.
Yeah,
We wanna,
it's up to you. All right. Bargain prices though. Most of the stuff in here looks like it's costing 50 pesos for jeans, shorts, jean shorts, all that kind of stuff. So it's a bargain. This bike has seen better days. All right, so this is where they live. A little hole in the wall. Yeah, let that truck come by.
said bawal, said bawal pumarada. It means no parking.
Yeah. All right, so somebody passed away. She was born same year as me. She was just born in July. All right, so we're gonna head up to the party here. And this is a narrow little street.
One way.
One way, but believe me or not, I'm actually driving my bike up here, so
Yeah, so far.
so far. So here's small little houses and quarters everywhere. Listen, guys, what's going here?
Start the party.
Yeah, the party's starting. You can hear the karaoke. So let's join them. All right, so here we are. The party is in full steam ahead right now, and
We're having fun.
having fun,
Dancing.
dancing. Yeah, that's your mom,
Yeah.
your auntie.
Yeah.
Oh, that's another auntie, right?
That's another
What's her name?
Lisa.
Lisa.
And then
And
the other
very,
one is my auntie Garrett.
yeah.
Garrett.
But anyway, Filipino party. As you can see, a lot of food on the table, and some of the beer. I guess most of them drink beer. I stay away it
That's good.
because my foot doesn't like it. Gout don't like it, so I'll try to stay away from it.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're having fun. They're having fun. They're enjoying themselves. What's fun, I think, is the entire family together. It's the adults, the children,
The
interaction between a 2-year-old all the way up to
Yeah.
60, 70.
Yeah.
I think we have some 70-year-olds there too. If not, I'm really close to it. So it's fun. So let's listen into the music for a second. All right. that was a little bit of the party. Thought you'd be cool to show you typical Filipino party. So we're signing off. Have a great day. God bless. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.